Hi guys, I'm here with Carola Gonzalez, an amazing makeup artist and a really nice person, and you are known for creating pretty much every look you ever see from Kerry Washington.
Yes.
Carola, tell everybody a little bit about your career. Sorry to put you on the spot, but you know.
I'm Puerto Rican and I moved to LA from Miami, and I used to model, and when I was modeling in Miami, they would do my makeup and I was like, how can I look worse with makeup than I look without makeup? When I walked in, I didn't feel like I look amazing or like $1,000,000. And I think that's one of the things that I love about my job and my work, is that you can transform people and you make them feel so good about themselves, and I think that's the most rewarding thing for me. I started to learn how to do my own makeup, so I bought Kevin Aquan's makeup book, Making Faces, because we didn't have YouTube or like anything online. And then I decided to quit the modeling, focus on the makeup, and then I moved to California because I wanted to be a celebrity makeup artist. I didn't know one soul here, so when I moved to LA, I had to always go back to Miami because my clients were there. So in order for me to make money,
you would go make money and come back. That's a
make
hustle.
Money and come back. So
that's
it's like that
cross-country hustle.
So everything that I was building here, when I would go to Miami for like a month, they would call me and I wasn't available. So it was like this. After like 3 years of this, I was like, you know what? I have to stay here.
Right.
And I'm gonna make it. And
you did.
And I did.
So now you're a big makeup artist on demand. And you've come, thank you so much, to the She Shed. These are some of your favorite products and just favorite things that you do, like little hacks. So talk to me.
I brought my little discoveries that once I discovered them, I was like, wow, like I love this. If I feel dehydrated, which happens here in California a lot of the time, and I use Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream. When I feel like I want to add a little bit of radiance or some glow, I just take a little bit, a tiny bit.
Right, because this is really thick if you haven't used it, right?
Yeah, it's very rich. And you can even do this like after you apply your foundation, if you want to add a little bit of glow. Okay. You know, and I just dab it on my cheekbones. Like,
yeah, that looks good.
It's just for natural
and it feels good too.
I hate to see that highlighter that is just like in your face.
Like it's a highlight without being obvious.
Like if you want to freshen up your makeup, it's great for that.
I look like one step away from death, by the way. That might be one of the richest creams I know of. Yeah.
And I got this new palette.
Yeah, these NARS lip palettes just came out.
Yes. And I'm actually wearing Anita.
It's so pretty.
Which is this one, and it's a great nude. Some are very sheer, and then some are lipsticks.
Okay, so note to self, the textures will change in the NARS palette.
But this is a very nice neutral.
It's gorgeous.
It's gorgeous. Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh, I got it!
To get the real pigment of the lipstick, you
need. Ooh, this is so good. It almost is like my natural lip color.
Yeah.
Look guys, I'm taking an eyeshadow brush and using it as a lip. Look at that, I'm breaking all the rules. This is so pretty.
It is.
This is Anita new lipstick.
I went to the Tatcha event and they have the Kissu lip mask by Tatcha. And this thing is so good for your lips, and I'm not kidding.
Tell me why.
It's so silky, super hydrating. It has a texture that I never experienced before.
Oh my god. Whoa. So you put this on. Whoa.
Yeah. It's rich.
No smell.
But it doesn't feel sticky. When I usually use it is at nighttime, when I cleanse my face and I put my serums and my moisturizer, and I always
put this on. And then do you have to wash it off or no?
No, I sleep with it. Honestly, like this has been my lifesaver.
Okay, I'm obsessed. The Tatcha
Kissu
lip mask. The Kissu lip mask. Like kiss with a U at the end.
It actually didn't really affect
the lipstick.
No,
it just gave me moisture.
And it doesn't look shiny. It still kept like the mateness of it.
I love it.
I got this sent to me. It's by Tom Pellereau. He invented this brush cleaner.
Wow.
Which has this, and then it has like all these gadgets, you know, that you put the brushes in. I actually tried it, and I'm gonna tell you, it's magical.
Can we do it?
Yeah, let's do it. And it works with very little product.
What? That brush has been dirty for like a year. Oh my god!
It's
Okay,
crazy.
I'm sold. I'm definitely getting that. I'm gonna go around to the neighborhood and knock and be like, I'm free brush cleaning.
Our brushes need to be cleaned every time that we use them.
I'm coming for you, Tom.
Like, this is my brush cleaner that I have at home, and you can actually use it on the bowl as well. Foundations and concealers do alone.
Okay.
Because they do have a lot of product.
Yes. And all the powders maybe in one and all the creams in other. I love it. You're blowing my mind.
Oh, you
QVC? Yes! Millions sold just from that.
I found these at Nigel's, and they're called Picky Lashes, and they're trio clusters. And they look so natural. I'm actually wearing them right now.
How much are they?
I think they're like $8. But
this is like one application.
No.
Two
yeah. Applications.
These are gorgeous. It says more natural looking than a strip, faster application than an individual, create customized looks. So you can actually, this is flirty and this is refined. They're really beautiful. Like they look handcrafted almost.
They do.
You can't even, I would never know you had them on. And I know lashes, people.
I'm so picky.
You're so picky. You're very picky.
I usually use like around 4 clusters on each eye.
They're like $8 a pack, she said. Which is a little pricey.
Okay.
You have them on. Just show everybody. They are so I mean, I wouldn't have known.
And I don't have mascara either.
No, I look great. Oh my god, I'm so pretty.
Mascara
Forget the facelift. This is why lashes are so important.
I know. Glossier has this perfecting skin tint that is deep. This is the shade Deep. I use it as a bronzer.
Okay.
Almost. To warm up my foundation. And because it's so sheer, what I do is I just take it and I just dab it, you know, like in the areas that are, you know, like chin.
Yep.
And I just, like sun-kissed.
Yes.
You know?
If you happen to go away during Christmas or like you take a break and you get tanner and you don't want to buy a new foundation. And, but what's nice about this, you can have it all year round and like add it. I love that. That's a great hack.
Why don't I just put it on you quickly?
Yeah, do it because I am so pale right now.
Isn't it funny like when a makeup artist like puts makeup on you?
Yes, isn't it? You're a makeup artist. You got the touch, girl. Oh my god, definitely.
It works.
What's nice about it is it is literally looks like a suntan. It's just like that perfect sun-kissed look. I love this. This is a great tip. The thing about your makeup and your aesthetic is you are very natural. Like you can go heavy, but I'm saying like you and I both have a similar style where it's just like letting the woman's face just shine, you know, and like seeing a little bit of freckle and seeing skin and not hiding who the person is, but just enhancing the person. All of Carola's information is right here. You can check out everything. Please follow her on Instagram and see what beautiful women she does. Do you groom too?
I groom too.
She grooms too. She's with the boys and the girls, and she makes everybody just happier on the inside and looking better on the outside. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
I love you so much. We're going to do another video, and Carola's going to give me a new look because I need it because I am just like fried, dude. So subscribe, tell a friend, watch this, pass it on, have a great day. Bye.
Bye.